Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to the second class on paraphrasing, and today we are going to make some practicing. So basically in today's video we will do some practicing on paraphrasing that will really help you to learn paraphrasing or to make paraphrasing available in your hand or to be eloquent in paraphrasing in your day-to-day life. So without wasting any time, let's start. The first sentence is, the students were very afraid of their teacher. So we are going to first understand the core aspect, the meaning of the sentence. Here is written, the students, that means among all the students, all the students were very afraid. They were petrified of their teacher. We can understand the meaning. Now we are going to paraphrase this sentence. We are going to say it in our own words. And for this, you can first highlight the words that you are going to change and you are going to use the synonyms. So here I'm going to highlight the word teacher, the word very afraid, and the word students. Alright, so now I'm also going to change the sentence structure. And from the students who are very afraid of their teacher, I'm going to make the teacher the subject of the sentence. And I'm going to write the educator. Instead of writing teacher, I've written the educator. The educator made the pupils fearful. So instead of saying that the teacher made the students fearful, I have written the educator made the pupil fearful. So here you can learn two things. First, you can change the sentence structure. You can see from the active sentence, I've made it the passive, and it's kind of passive but not actually totally passive. So the second thing that I've changed is using the synonyms. So I've used several synonyms. Now I'm going to move for the second one, which is, the tutor seemed very angry. So here again we can see tutor, we can underline tutor, and we can also underline very angry, very angry. Now we're going to change the sentence, we're going to paraphrase it. And in case of paraphrasing, I've written in a bit tricky way to make you all understand how the professionals actually paraphrase some sentences. So here, instead of saying very angry, I tried to mean that the angriness was in between the teacher. So I've written, a sense of furiousness lied in the characteristics of the instructor. So instead of saying the tutor, I've used instructor. That's a synonym of the teacher or the educator or tutor. And here I've used instructor. And instead of saying very angry, I have said a sense of furiousness. So very angry refers to being very furious. So I have said a sense of furiousness lied in the characteristics of the instructor. Now let's move to the third one, which is, the room was very clean and amazing. The room was very clean and amazing. So here you can change the room if you want, but there are some synonyms of room such as chamber. But this actually doesn't make the sense of room. But if you want, you can keep the same word, room. So the thing that I'm going to say is, the room was incredibly spotless that made everyone amazed. Now let's move to the fourth one, which is, the sum was very confusing and so the students could not answer. I'm going to paraphrase it in a different way and I'm going to say, the perplexing mathematical cumbersome took the students up in the air. Up in the air is a phrase which is basically used to refer that someone was in uncertainty. So here I have used up in the air. That means the students were very confused and they were not able to do it. So I've used up in the air. And the perplexing, that refers to confusing, and mathematical cumbersome means mathematical problem. That refers to the sum, because sum means a math problem. Number 5. Shobhan sir makes very creative videos. You can change it and you can say in your own words like, the videos made by Shobhan sir are innovating. Innovating refers to very creative. Now let's move to number 6. The room was very dirty and full of stuffs. I can paraphrase it and I can say, there were numerous unnecessary elements that made the room filthy. Filthy is the synonym of very dirty. So this is how you can use some synonyms. And instead of saying full of stuffs, I have written numerous unnecessary elements. Now let's move to number 7. I was very happy to be a part of this event. So I was very happy to be a part of this event can be paraphrased in a beautiful way by using a very special word, which is ecstatic. Ecstatic is an advanced word to say very happy. So instead of saying very happy, you can use this word ecstatic that refers to very happy. And you can say, being a part of this occasion was an ecstatic part of my life. That means I was very happy to be a part of this occasion. An occasion is a synonym of event that you already know. So this is how you can use some synonyms and can rephrase the sentences. Number 8. The environment was very calm and relaxing. The environment. So we can underline some of the words. Environment, very calm, and also relaxing. We can change these words. And while paraphrasing, we can write, the serene atmosphere created a vibe of nostalgia. So serene refers to very calm, that we underlined here, very calm, and afterwards created a vibe of nostalgia. We can say relaxing and nostalgia. They are quite similar. We can say they are actually the synonyms, but they have something common in between them, so they complement each other. So we can say the serene atmosphere created a vibe of nostalgia. Now let's move to number 9. I was very tired at night. That means I was very tired at night, or it may be last night, or we can just guess. And I can paraphrase it and I can say, the last night was exhausting for me. Exhausting. So exhausting refers to very tired. So instead of saying very tired, you can definitely write exhausting. And I have changed it from passive, from active, that I was very tired at night. I have made it passive. And I've written the last night was exhausting for me. Now it's time to move for the last one, and this is the last one. It was very sure that she will come. It was very sure. That means I was very sure that she will come. It was very normal and casual that she will come. So I have paraphrased it and I have said it in my way that I was certain about her coming. I'm certain about her coming. So this is how you can paraphrase all the sentences. I do hope you find this video helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to give it a like and stay with me. Thank you.